Hey guys, welcome to How2Mechanics. This video will show you how to line your tracks on a Case IH Quadtrac. If you need to adjust the track towards the inside of the tractor, you're going to move the plate rearward towards the back of the tractor. If you need to adjust the track further away from the tractor, you're going to move the plate forward towards the front of the tractor. When you're moving this plate, it's moving the whole undercarriage slightly this direction, and that's what's aligning your tracks. First thing you're going to do is mark a line there, as well as a line right here. These lines will be your reference on how much you're moving the plate when you're adjusting the tracks. Now that we're in the tractor, you're gonna wanna drive in a straight line for at least 50 yards. Put the foot on the clutch pedal, let it coast to a stop. Idle down, put into park. You're gonna hop out of the tractor and take notes of where the tracks are at. As you can see, this one is wearing hard on the inner side, and there's a big gap on the outside. You can also tell it's running on the very outside edge of the bogey wheel. Since this track is too close to the inside of the tractor, we want to move the track away from the tractor. So we're going to move this plate towards the front of the tractor. This track is the opposite. It is riding too close to the outside of the tractor. We want to move this track towards the inside. To move the track towards the inside, we're going to move the plate towards the rear of the tractor. I like to adjust one track at a time. That way you're not getting confused on which way they've been moving. Now that we verified that the track needs to be moved outward, we're going to move this plate towards the front of the tractor. You want to loosen the bolts so this plate is able to move. Since I want the plate to move forward, I'm going to loosen this bolt. You might have to use a soft pull hammer to move forward. If you can't get it to move with the soft pull hammer, you can hop in the cab and articulate the tractor one way or the other way, and that will move this plate slightly forward or rearward. As you can see with the line that we move the plate towards the front of the tractor, now we're going to tighten up these 6 bolts and then drive in a straight line and then recheck them. Now the track is sticking too far away from the tractor, so we went too far. As you can see by my mark, small movement here is a large movement on the end of the track. I did not move the plate much for it to go to the opposite direction. So I take this plate and move it towards the rear of the tractor a tiny bit. So you do the same thing, loosen all 6 bolts, take your adjusting nut, tighten it, and then I'll move the plate rearward. After about 3 different adjustments, I was able to get it centered. If you found this video helpful in any way, please check out my channel, How2Mechanics. I make how-to videos for tons of different things. You name it, I work on it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.